The average family in America retires with $336,000 in their retirement savings. This one house that is right now being shown to sell has made me double in just 5 years what the average American family will have in 40 years of working at their job. The cool part is, yeah, oh great, I made money, I made cash flow, all that kind of stuff. But the cool part of that house is that I bought it without cash, without credit, without a W-2. Literally, I've never had a W-2, and I have hundreds of these all over the country. Investing in real estate has never been easier. That house I got a 3% rate on without a bank loan, without an approval, without a credit check. I want to show you how to do this too. It's called Creative Finance, and I made a case study on how you can do this in 50 states, Puerto Rico, Canada, Mexico City. Does not matter where you are in the country, you can do this remotely, and you can build a portfolio to get out of the average people world. If you want to watch that case study, click the link down below.